What's up, guys? I'm not going. I don't really have nothing I go on today. You know, day them boy. So today I just come off of the road and thing, and we say we're gonna yell up, don't you?
Walk on, people.
Guys, I forgot to
catch the ear style. Catch the ear style.
I have my one pull up.
Now for putting on me ears ring, brother. Cause yo, them thing you want in a million times.
Yes, I like.
Cannot do them thing up on regular.
Stop it. Call my ear quite regular.
Where?
Regular?
Guys, let me check back and see how much months of video footage we have and see if I know first to see me ear look so. What you say?
Nothing. I don't have nothing to say.
Brother, catch my face, the man. I'm going to get one of the people them still glory. Want you?
Bruh. You're so corny.
Wait.
You want to be right? Alright. So what I want to say, family.
Come here. Come. Sit. 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 Good.
So let me stop.
Sit.
Guys, I'm not afraid of her. I'm not like when she jump up on me because she's big and she jump up on me, she push me over. I don't want she push me over one day and somebody pass outside. I'm going to drop and skin out the ground. Because that's going to be a side to see. Yes, so me and Junior, a while ago, I come in, I said to him, say, guess what I'm buying? I'm going to the pharmacy. I'm buying something. My tail lick up.
Easy, man.
Sit down, go sit down.
Ja.
So, I said to him, so what I buy? Guess I'm buy at the pharmacy. I buy chocolate and I buy sweetie. Say anything I'm buy, I have to chop and eat it.
Because our
so
favorite things
to eat.
That is our favorite thing to consume. Chocolate or sweetie. Can favorite thing. That's so anybody who want to buy can a gift for your birthday, Christmas, Valentine's. Well, Valentine's not normally chocolate things still. You see me? For any one of them special moments, sweetie. Yeah, man. All if I want sugar, you know, you roll up on sugar ball and give her sweetie. Once it's sweet.
So, him say if it's not a candy bar, like a chocolate bar or candy of any sort, something I have to chop and eat, he might change his name to a Duffus Idiot.
Idiot. Yeah, man. Me no name Junior no more.
Same name.
When you see me, when you see me, when you tag me, if I don't know if you eat, when you tag me,
chop and eat, you know.
A-E.
A Duffus Idiot.
Where idiot start? The E-R-I.
Aye, so A-I. Hey! People idiot start with an E. You say I'm a real idiot.
Then the idiot is pronounced.
I'm a real idiot. It's an idiot.
Hey, come here. Come on, no. M-E-G-A-N is what?
What?
M-E-G-A-N. Where that pronounced?
Megan.
Megan.
Anyway, no one pronounce it. It's pronounced Megan, 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 anything.
Megan. What you pronounce? Megan means it. It's not Megan.
You can say, alright, I'm going to give you some words to say. Yes, I'm going to laugh. But before, I'm going to show you what I'm buying in a pharmacy. It's not a candy bar. It's not anything to chew. So just make sure you know from now. So you stop refer to this IE or AE as Junior and start calling him a Duffus Idiot.
Yeah. Yeah,
so,
better to say something for you. Better. Guys, when I like my pet bird, just let him out like a while. Fly gone over there, so now I feel him spot that him go all the while over the mango tree there. You see it?
What that?
My pet bird.
Pet bird. Where you get pet bird from?
Joe Jankra. People, she forward back.
I am back.
So let us see.
How that work? How you forward back?
Forward back.
If you go forward, you go forward. If you go back, you go back.
Forward back.
Anyways, what I want to say, I did not buy anything to eat. I first must see what I buy. I bought a cough medicine.
Yeah, do that.
Because I'm coughing in the night time. I can't breathe. So, I'm wrong.
Can.
Captain Adolphus, you say me have to chew it. Me not chew it, it's liquid. Me make sure I catch up on camera and tell me, say, guys, me go drop in the clip.
I say, if you don't buy something to eat, I change my name from Lee Craft Williams to Adolphus Idiot.
So if I go by pharmacy a while ago and I don't know chocolate, you say, where's the chocolate I want? And I know something to eat, as in food.
Anything.
Food.
Sweetie, anything.
Food, sweetie. You have to be specific.
No, I'm not being specific. I don't know what it is, but I must something for them.
But you can't say something to eat. You have to be specific. You have to be specific, like a candy bar.
I'm not giving you any specifics.
You have to be. You cannot just be something to eat.
You know, go in a pharmacy, go buy a bandage. Yeah? You're now going to go to that. So I must something where you can put in your mouth, eat, chew it up, swallow it.
Never can chew it up and swallow it. Where's your name? Adolphus Idiot?
Adolphus Idiot.
If it's not
something to eat.
Your name Adolphus Idiot.
Yeah.
Him tell me say, I make sure I ask him, is it something, him say, is a chocolate or a candy bar? Him say, if I know something I have to chew up and swallow, him name changed to Adolphus Idiot. So Mr. Adolphus Idiot, I don't have to chew this. I keep on and say something I have to chew. See that, me not have to chew it.
Oh, God.
Alright guys, so as I said, we're gonna play a little game with the I don't remember what his name. What is his name again?
Julian.
Adolphus Idiot. So we're gonna play a game with Adolphus Idiot, yeah? What we're gonna do is we're gonna give him some words and him now gonna pronounce the T in them. So if I'm gonna try to pronounce some words without using the T. Some English words without using T. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
So the first word, somebody can look at me like that.
Oh.
So the first word I'm gonna give him is British. So I have to pronounce the word British without T in it.
Not easy.
So good.
British.
British. Tattoo.
Tattoo.
Yeah.
Au.
Dua. Au.
Au.
Au. Alright. Stop that.
What?
Stop that. You want me to take out the T
Stop.
them. Stop that.
Let me see the word.
Stop that.
You know? We want to see it. That is Sapa.
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 Let me say Sapa.
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 So Japanese.
Sapa.
Sapa.
And that
Yeah,
comes from diaphragm.
Yeah, when you're Japanese, talk come from diaphragm. Sweet.
What?
Sweet.
Wee.
Wee. Say.
What? What is that Tay?
It's a A. Say is a A.
What is that? That's not a word. Is there such a word? Tay? What is that Tay?
A Tay is a Tay.
No, you can't.
T.
You can't go make up words for you, man.
I
Hey,
don't know word.
who know that game the
T.
name ABC fast or slow? And worst game we play with can. T. Yeah. Or E.
Alright. 2022.
I'm with the Rams come. Alright. Wenny woo!
Winnie, ooh.
Winnie,
Home
woo.
Brook School, you hear that one there? Winnie, ooh. Alright, toes.
O's.
Stunk sneeze for me? Thanks.
Like you're allergic to toes.
Thanks.
You're one are exposed.
Leave my toes. Thanks.
Your toes
Brother.
are exposed. Sorry.
Thanks.
Hanks. The best one on that? A Winnie woo.
Winnie, ooh.
Yeah.
Winnie, what your favorite one?
The best one that don't die for me. Winnie
guys,
woo.
wanted to try it. Try it with no kids or
Yeah.
even with yourself or in a partner or anything.
You can try it
Just
with yourself.
you can just try to say some words without the T.
That's not gonna be fun. You have to try it with somebody else.
Yeah, you want to say mathematics. You say mathematics. No? Alright, so try it with someone else then.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So it's a little game only can If you not have game night and them things,
yeah, something funny. You just find some words with T and just try.
Yeah, say the words without
T out of it.
Yo, what you know what I'm saying?
Oh my, but that, which fish, what type of fish you sell?
Sprat, Doctor,
Bangamere.
you know them. All fishes.
Snapper.
She sell fish.
Yeah, that's true. Sell them around the back road.
Huh?
Fish sell enough around them. No around the back road fish sell. No around the back road. Who know put more? Fish sell around the back road. But now I talk that fish there. You gone too far now.
Oh.
Me talk about fish where them catch out of the sea.
Fishing village.
Yes, see fishing village around the back road. I'm say fish sell around the back road. You won't be here.
Oh. I wonder what you're talking about.
So yes, guys, we hope you have a wonderful New Year's when New Year's come. Because we don't not see we again until this Sunday. The Sunday though.
Yeah.
Yeah. So have a wonderful New Year's. I hope if I want to ring in the New Year's and come January and wake up and not feel too well. Yeah, morning sickness. Who get engaged. Who get married. Who meet them new partner. That'd be a good thing to have in the New Year's.
Anything what you say, guys.
So why you care something what you say?
Eh?
Why you care something what you say? So, I said this not gonna be a long video. Every time we say it's not gonna be a long video, the video long. So, no.
I don't know what she considers being long, but me like spend time with her. She no like spend time with her.
That is not true. I like spend time
She
with
cut out the video, cut it this up, chop it this up, do this, do that. So she stay. I hope she change for 2022. When who?
So, what me change to the when who? Guys, as him a show you, so him here. Wait, man.
Yeah, Lee, you're aggressive.
Him me aggressive. Him here finally though, and my one pull up. So, I know what that means. And it's sour. So, I have to pull it out, wash it, and then you don't know already, as I said, take 3 to 6 business months before we plan it up again. You ever tell about the film here that long for do? No, not yet. But guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video them. And guys, I like how I interact. I like it. I like how I like the video them. I like how I share the video them. I like how I comment. I like how I be. I like it. Yeah, man, and I do the family thing, the right thing to do. So just continue to do the right thing. I see, guys. And just remember, say, yeah.
I like the new look, people. So.
The new look, I know the first you look, so. Yes, guys. So as we say, continue to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Yeah, when you can visit with TikTok channel. I don't really much of because I'm shy. Junior, the TikToker.
Why you forget?
It don't matter, man. TikTok. Me see man I do dirt.
Not me.
Dirt and a TikTok and I go on with a bag of excitement nowadays.
But after that, why them forget about them at TikTok?
So we catch you again in another video, and remember guys, Thursday coming will be the first official doctor visit for the IVF thing, so you know, so you look forward to that too. So guys, remember as I say, to big up on yourself, enjoying the holiday and enjoying the New Year's. Enough love, enough blessing coming into the 2022. And as we always say, guys.
No, come on, that right now in the bed, Jim. Tell you that.
As we always say, stay safe. Winnie, ooh.